Hello and welcome back to Cryptocurrency Secrets. In this module, we'll talk about the strategies you need to adopt to ensure a successful cryptocurrency investment and building your portfolio. Investing in cryptocurrencies comes with its own risks as well as rewards. Therefore, you need to invest strategically in order to maximize your return on investment and minimize your risks. There are 5 strategies which may come in handy for you, especially if you're relatively new to the cryptocurrency realm. 1. Understand the whole concept of cryptocurrency. 2. Spy on the market. 3. Invest in more than one coin. 4. Start small and scale higher. 5. Reallocate your investment. First, it's important for you to understand the whole concept of cryptocurrency. Always keep in mind that you do not simply invest in something you are not sure of and uncertain of. Don't jump on the bandwagon and follow what other people are doing just because you fear you're missing out. For instance, a lot of people see their peers investing in property and they just follow suit in hopes to generate millions without even conducting prior research. Therefore, the first thing you ought to do is study the space. These are the important points to be digested before kickstarting your investment. What is cryptocurrency? What is blockchain technology? What is Bitcoin? What are the other popular digital currencies? What are the coins' market caps? How can you start your own cryptocurrency exchanges? Where can you make cryptocurrency exchanges? Take your time to understand the realm of cryptocurrency, and don't rush the process. It may take weeks or even months to digest all the information, but this step is imperative for you so you can be on top of the game and an expert in the field. This way, there's a very low chance for you to waste your resources as you are familiar with the cryptocurrency industry. The second strategy to invest is to spy on the market. What does spying on the market mean? Spying on the market means you're observing what is currently working in the cryptocurrency market. What you want to specifically Hello there and welcome back to Cryptocurrency Secrets. In this module, we'll be discussing the effective channels for you to collect more Bitcoin to maximize your investment. There are 6 methods for you to earn more Bitcoins, and it's not only restricted to cryptocurrency exchange or trading. The 6 methods are 1. Cryptocurrency exchange, 2. Faucets, 3. Microtasking, 4. Supplying Bitcoin-related services, 5. Becoming a Bitcoin escrow agent, 6. Bitcoin affiliate marketing. The first method to collect more Bitcoins is by cryptocurrency exchange or trading. As mentioned in the previous modules, there are various forms of trading or exchange options available for Bitcoin. You may trade Bitcoin for Bitcoin or Bitcoin with other cryptocurrencies, and even Bitcoin with fiat currencies. But most importantly, ensure you have equipped yourself with the knowledge required to start exchanging Bitcoin, so you know the risks involved as well as how much you need to invest as a beginner. One of the most common ways of accumulating and earning Bitcoin through trading is by day trading. Day trading is buying and selling of Bitcoins on the same day based on small, short-term price fluctuations. Therefore, when you observe the market and notice that the value of Bitcoin is going up, it's a good time to purchase some Bitcoins and sell them right away after you've made your profit. The second method to earn Bitcoins is through faucets. What are faucets? Faucets are websites which give away Bitcoins on a regular basis. They may give away Bitcoins every minute, every 10 minutes, every hour, or once a week. All you need to do is sign up on the websites using your Bitcoin address and sometimes your email. And if you're selected, you get the Bitcoins. However, one downside to this method is the amount of Bitcoin given away. It's not as much, and sometimes the most you'll get is 0.00288 BTC, which equals to around $1.31. But still, who would want to give you Bitcoins for free? And looking at how volatile the cryptocurrency market is, it is definitely worth the try. Some of the popular faucets you can try to sign up to win your Bitcoins are Bitcoin Zebra, Moon Bitcoin, Weekend Bitcoin, Milli. The third method to earn your Bitcoin is by microtasking. Microtasking is websites that pay their users using Bitcoin for completing tasks, such as filling out surveys, watching videos, and signing up for new services. You can sign up for free and all the tasks can be done within your own time. One example of a microtasking site is CoinWorker. Next, you can earn Bitcoin by offering Bitcoin-related services. Not many people know that you can get paid with Bitcoin instead of fiat currency for offering Bitcoin-related services. If you want to get an idea of what services you could offer, you can visit Coinality, a site which gives current updates on Bitcoin jobs posted online. You can also visit Bitcoin Talk, a forum which discusses a wide range of cryptocurrency topics, including a services thread where users are searching for Bitcoin service providers. Some examples of services people are looking for are blockchain developer, website manager, graphic designer, mining expert, online marketer, writing for cryptocurrency blogs and new sites. The fifth method for you to earn more Bitcoin is by becoming a Bitcoin escrow agent. Now, what's a Bitcoin escrow agent? An agent handles the third-party escrow service of a Bitcoin transaction. Bitcoin escrow agents are getting more and more common as escrow protects users from fraudulent buyers by requiring the Bitcoin to be deposited up front. Usually, Bitcoin transactions are anonymous exchanges that involve untrusted parties. In an event where the sellers turn out to be scammers, the escrow agent will act as an arbitrator and will determine who will receive the Bitcoins. Many Bitcoin marketplaces provide escrow services such as Local Bitcoins, Crypto Thrift, and Bit Premier. To be an escrow agent, you must build up your reputation as a trustworthy party in the community. Last but not least is getting involved in Bitcoin affiliate marketing. For those who are not familiar with affiliate marketing, the idea behind it is that you promote someone else's product and they pay you a percentage of the profit based on the sales you bring in. Let's illustrate an example. Let's say you decide to promote Trezor, a hardware cryptocurrency wallet. If a person decides to purchase a Trezor and the customers came from your site, you get a commission for it. And the best thing is, you earn your commission in Bitcoin, where previous Bitcoin affiliate marketers have reported reasonable values of Bitcoin being paid to them. I've already listed the possible methods to earn your Bitcoins. Always remember, whatever method you choose to venture into, there's no such thing as easy money. If earning Bitcoins were that easy, everyone would have done it by now. In each of the methods listed above, you'll either need to invest your time or your money. There's no easy way out. Try what works for you and be patient with the results. All the best.